Dear citizen, dear resident, earthquakes are a phenomenon that takes place by the will of God the Almighty, when the cracks and rocket plates, which form the earth, move about. Therefore, do not panic. Just be calm. Do not get confused, and follow these instructions. First, preventive measures prior to an earth tremor. At home, get a battery-operated radio set, a flashlight, and a first aid kit. Put all these items in a place that is known to all family members. Teach first aid to adults in the family. Find places of gas and water control valves, as well as electricity disconnecting switches, and teach adults in the family how to use them. Fix equipment like the television on the wall using a hook. Do not put equipment and heavy material on high shelves. Make sure to shut closets firmly in all rooms and the kitchen to prevent fall of items during the earthshake. Always keep additional quantities of water and food for the family that are good enough for 3 to 5 days. Arrange and train family members on the ideal action scenario during and after the earthquake, and do relevant drills. It is very important to fix water tanks and satellite reception dishes on building roofs. Get a standard home fire extinguisher and train adult family members on using it. Listen to the civil defense instructions, execute them, and do cooperate with the civil defense for your safety. These instructions are very important and simple. They are precautionary and aim to protect you, your family, and our society. So do not panic. With the compliments of the General Directorate of Civil Defense.